অধ্যক্ষের কাছে আমার রেজিগনেশন লেটারটা দিয়েছি অ্যাজ এ লিডার অফ দি অপোজিশন অফ ত্রিপুরা লেজিসলেটিভ অ্যাসেম্বলি, এবং কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে আমরা গভর্নর হাউসের দিকে যাব। 9:30টায় আমাদের শপথ গ্রহণ অনুষ্ঠান, এবং আমার সাথে আজকে রেজিগনেশন দিতে যাওয়ার সময় আমাদের মাননীয় বিধায়করা ছিলেন এবং প্রাক্তন বিধায়ক তাপস দে মহোদয়, প্রাক্তন বিধায়ক রাজেশ্বর দেববর্মা সহ আমাদের আরও গণ্যমান্য ব্যক্তিরা উপস্থিত আছেন। টিপরামথার পক্ষ থেকে মহারাজা আসছেন, ওনাকে নিয়ে রাজভবনের দিকে আমরা যাব।
So what's the main cause of this resignation and joining this ruling party? What will be the main cause?
If I want to be part of the government, I have to resign from the post of leader of opposition, because this office is office of profit. So as per the protocol and norms and system of the government, I have to leave this post because I am no longer going to be in the opposition, will be part of the government. So the reason you know that Tipra Motha has signed an agreement with Government of India. As per the agreement, now we also will be the part of the government.
Pratyut Debarma has recently shared a voice message as he said that you are going to make a pressure being in the government, and he will make a pressure outside of the government in the central party. So what will be the pressure and what will be the issues?
See, whatever responsibility I had been given personally by the party, I always tried my level best to perform. I had no experience of being a minister in the state cabinet. After 22 years of my political life, first time I'm going to assume the office of cabinet minister. Let me enter, let me see, let me learn, let me know, and I let the people know what exactly will be my role, how can I perform, what will be the responsibilities. Everything after entering in the government, I'll come to know, and let me try to perform. And as Maharaja says, I'm also with them, with him. The party's decision will be the final decision. Thank you.